Hi! In this video, we'll show you how to change the layouts of labels printed by MRPeasy. For changing the label's layouts, go to Settings, System Settings, Label Editor, and press Edit. Let's see how it works on a shipment label sample. It is possible to choose which elements to print and how they are displayed on the label. To hide an element, click on it and drag it from the label into the left column. To print an element, click on it and drag it from the left column into the label. To change the label size, click on it and drag the right or bottom boundary. To move an element to a new location, click on it and drag it to a new place. To change the alignment of an element, font, and border, click on it and select the needed options in the Field Options section. Let's see what this label looks like when printed. MRPeasy supports printing of several labels at once. By default, each label is printed on a separate page. It is possible to put several labels on one page. For doing this, enable the bulk printing functionality below the label layout. Select the paper size, enter margins, and how many labels should be printed on one page. Let's see what the label's bulk printing looks like. Thank you for watching. Please see our other videos for more about MRPeasy.